Well, I was trying to build a domino tower. Clearly, I'm no master. But I did meet two brothers whose domino chain reactions are masterpieces. Dominoes are no longer just kids' toys. For two brothers, dominoes are a form of art. This is Alex and Derek Coops from Sioux Center, Iowa. No, you're not seeing double. These twins are a dynamic duo in the world of domino art. The Coops brothers design complex domino chain reactions. They'll use up to 25,000 dominoes in one chain and be building for 24 hours. Now that's some patience. Patience that took them to a national stage. Alex and Derek won the grand prize of $100,000 on the TV game show Domino Masters. They share their artwork on YouTube, and that's where it all began. As 10-year-olds, the brothers grabbed random materials from their house, like Jenga blocks, and built simple chain reactions in their garage. That was 11 years ago. Since then, they've stayed on the domino train. They transformed a spare room in their house into an art studio. When they start a project, Alex and Derek don't usually make a blueprint. They plan what tall towers and complex tricks they want to include, but they decide how to connect it all as they build. These special building blocks don't have dots like normal dominoes. The flatter edges and lighter weight help keep them sturdy. To build a simple 2D tower, Derek first builds a base using a domino mold. Then he carefully lays more pieces corner to corner, alternating the direction of the dominoes. Alex makes a smaller version of a signature structure, the fall wall. He'll make a hinge with tape and string to connect the two structures.
I tape two flat ones hinged together on the bottom, and then I have one hinge to the flat one at the top so it can topple. The wall topples, this domino with the string will pull on this domino, and when it lifts off, that falls forward, and then can continue the chain.
Now it might look easy, but with one bump, it all falls down.
You know, accidents are gonna happen no matter how long you've been doing this.
Yeah, so even though we are domino masters, we're not perfect domino builders. Everyone, no matter how experienced, will knock something down at some point. So.
These masters are always testing new contraptions, but they can't know if it works until they let it run. And many times, they fail.
Should I throw a domino at it? Yeah.
A red one?
I'll do it.
But with a little push, they keep moving forward.
Go.
Alex and Derek clean up the mess and try again. No matter how impressive it looks, it all crashes down in the end. Destroying the masterpiece is the art. That's the whole point.
3, 2, 1, go. Half of the art form is art in motion. It's not meant to just sit still. You're supposed to knock it down.